पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 643. We are at the conclusion of Madhu Brahmana. In भाष्य we saw एवं उक्तः और एव स एव मुक्तः ब्रह्मविद्। अनंतरो अबाह्यः कृत्स्नः प्रज्ञानघनभूतः सर्वेषां भूतानाम् अयमात्मा सर्वैः उपास्य सर्वेषां भूतानाम् अधिपतिः। अयमात्मा सर्वैः उपास्य सर्वेषां भूतानाम् अधिपतिः, which is the अधिपति of all. सर्वभूतानां स्वतंत्रो. So we saw this adhipati and raja, both words are there. सर्वभूतानां स्वतंत्रो न कुमार अमात्यवत् किंतर्हि सर्वेषां भूतानां राजा. Kumara is also swatantra, Amatya is also swatantra. They are adhipati also, but they are not raja. See Tika, previous page, second line. उक्तम आत्म शब्दार्थम अनुद्य सर्वेषाम इत्यादि व्याचष्टे तस्मिन्निति। तस्मिन् अविद्याकृत कार्यकरण संघात विषय. अविद्याकृतः कार्यकरण संघात is अविद्याकृत कार्यकरण संघात means ignorance born स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीर इत्यादि. एव उपाधि, this is उपाधि. तेन विशिष्टे जीवे तस्मिन् परमार्थात्मनि ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्म विद्या प्रवेशिते सति. तस्मिन् परमार्थात्मनि ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्म विद्या प्रवेशिते सति स एव अयमात्मा यथोक्त विशेषणः सर्वैरुपास्यः. That alone is upasya by all. सर्वैः उपास्य सर्वेषां भूतानां अधिपतिः इति संबंधः. So that which is upasya by all, that is सर्वभूतानां अधिपति. व्याख्येयं पदम आदाय तस्य वाच्यम अर्थम आह. व्याख्येय पदम means the वाक्यम, पद समुदाय वाक्यम. आदाय, its वाच्यार्थ is being given. In that 5 number tippani, पदम पद समुदाय वाक्यम इति यावत यद्वा, not यद्वाम, अनुस्वार we don't need. अधिपति पदम वाक्यांतर भावेण आदाय इत्यर्थ. In टीका तस्यैव विवक्षितो अर्थः सर्वैः उपास्य इत्युक्तः. तो विवक्षित अर्थ is सर्वैः उपास्य. Everybody does upasana means everybody worships him because he is मुक्तः अनंतरः बाह्य कृष्ण प्रज्ञान घन भूतः एक्सेट्रा. सर्वभूतानाम आत्मा. स्वातंत्र्यं व्यतिरेक द्वारा स्फोरयति न कुमार अमात्यवत. Swatantра is there for Kumar also, Amatya also, but they don't have Raja pada. Rajatva is not there, or Rajnyatva is not there. Sarvesham Bhutanam Raja iti etavata eva यथोक्त अर्थ सिद्धौ किमिति अधिपतिः इति विशेषणम. You could have just said he is Sarvesham Bhutanam Raja. Why you gave अधिपति विशेषण also इति आशंक्याः. राजत्व विशेषणम अधिपति ही इति भवति. राजत्व विशेषणम अधिपति ही इति भवति. कश्चित् राजोचित वृत्तिम आश्रित्य. राजा न तु अधिपति ही. राजत्व विशेषणम अधिपति ही इति भवति. कश्चित् राजोचित वृत्तिम आश्रित्य राजा. So somebody may not be a king, but he may be adhipati, because adhipati means he is ruler, he protects people, etc., like a prince or a minister, amatya. So what is said is rajochita vrittim ashritya he is raja, means he is not raja in true sense. He does the ruling, but he is not the adhipati. So rajochita vrittim ashritya raja natu adhipati ato vishinashti adhipati. So somebody may not be raja but does raja like work, but he is not adhipati. In this way it is taken. Tika, in Tika this is explained further. Rajatva jati anakrantopi kaschid tad upachita paripalanadi vyavaharvan iti upalabdham. Somebody does not have rajatva jati, anakrantopi. Kaschid taduchita. Taduchita. Kaschid tad uchita paripalanadi vyavaharvan. Somebody does this uchita paripalanadi vyavahar like mantri etc. Iti upalabdham na punastasya swatantriyam. But he does not have that much freedom. Why? Raja paratantratvat, because he is dependent upon king, subservient to king. Tasmat tato vyavachhedartham adhipatihi iti visheshanam ityartha. So here adhipati visheshana is given to eliminate all such positions and such people. He has to be raja, he has to be adhipati, both. राजा अधिपति ही इति उभयोरपि मिथो विशेषण विशेष्यत्वम अभिप्रेत्य वाक्यार्थम निगमयति. राजा अधिपति ही इति उभयोः अपि मिथो विशेषण विशेष्यत्वम. So they are mutually, one is visheshana, another is visheshya. विशेषण विशेष्यत्वम अभिप्रेत्य वाक्यार्थम निगमयति एवं सर्वभूतात्मा विद्वान ब्रह्मविन मुक्तो भवति. So here you see mukta shabda has come. That's why earlier we could have used that shabda. Sarvabhutatma vidwan. So in the Moolam, if you see, Sava ayam atma sarvesham bhutanam adhipatihi sarvesham bhutanam raja. This is the Vakya, this much Vakya it is explained. The one who was samsari because of avidya, with the jnanam, he has understood, I am Brahma, I am sarvesham bhutanam adhipatihi sarvesham bhutanam raja. Now the further part. In other words, this should be the difference that we should be looking in ourselves. Before Vedanta, I can understand I was Ajnani. Now Vedanta has come in my life. I have been studying Vedanta. What should be my understanding? I, as Brahma, am Sarvesham Bhutanam Raja. Some more clarification I will give when in the same mantra some commentary comes. एवं सर्वभूतात्मा विद्वान ब्रह्मविन् मुक्तो भवति. उक्तस्य विद्याफलस्य तृतीयेन एकवाक्यत्वम् आह. So this vakya as vidyaphalam, this mantra, first part is the vidyaphalam, sarvesham bhutanam raja. It's ekavakyata with tritiya adhyaya. Tritiya adhyaya means प्रथमाध्याय. प्रथमाध्यायोक्त विद्याफलेन ऐक्यम. C7 number टिप्पणी. What is the vidyafalena ऐक्यम in प्रथमाध्याय? Tasmat tat sarvam bhavat. So that question is given here, you see. In Bhashya, yaduktam brahma vidya sarvam bhavishyantah manushya kimu tad brahma avet yasmat tat sarvam abhavat iti. So 149 this is where it was said Brahma vidya sarvam bhavishyantah manushyaha. By Brahma vidya they will become all, manushya will become all. Kimu tad brahma, what is that brahma by whose jnanam aved yasmat tat sarvam abhavat, because of which they became all. Iti idam tad vyakhyatam. So what was said there, this is the commentary on that. Why do you say this is commentary? Because that vakya was given, then here in this second chapter, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, all were given. See Tika. Tadeva Vyakhyatam Sporayati. That itself now he clarifies further. Evam Atmanam eva Sarvatmatvena Acharya Agamabhyam Shrutva Matva Tarkato Vignaya साक्षाद एवं यथा मधु ब्राह्मणे दर्शितम तथा. एवं आत्मानम एव सर्वात्मत्वेन विज्ञाय. I have to understand I am सर्वात्मा, I am all. How? Acharya agamabhyam shrutva. This is the shravanam. Through Acharya and Agama I have to do shravanam. Acharya agamabhyam shrutva. Matva. Matva, how to do mananam? Tarkatah, through tarka. Tarkato vijnaya. Then sakshad evam. In Tika, Maitreyi Brahmanokta Kramena iti yavat. So in Maitreyi Brahmana, this is the krama we have seen. To Maitreji, first Vairagya, then Atmavare Drashtavya, Shrotavya Mantavya. So all these steps were there. And in Nididhyasanam, it was said Vijnanam. Shrutya Matva Vijnanena Idam Sarvam Viditam. Right? So that Vijnanena, some acharyas, they put it this way, because there is no dhyanam, etc. You don't have to do dhyanam, but what is required is you go on doing Shravanam Mananam, Shravanam Mananam, Shravanam Mananam, then that jnanam that will take place will be called Vijnanam. When I do Shravanam, one jnanam will take place. But when I keep doing Shravanam Mananam, then that jnanam will become Dridha Paroksha. So then, Vijnaya Sakshat Eva. This is Sakshatkar, what we call. And for this, if somebody needs to do Dhyanam, there is no objection. Whatever will work. What is the shloka? Yaya.
Bhavet pumsaha.
Pumsam. Yutpattihi pratyagatmani. Sa saiva prakriyagneya sadhvi sacha navasthita. That is prakriya. That by which you will get the knowledge. So if somebody needs, because those people who have not done upasana before, they will have to do more nididhyasana. And their nididhyasanam can require this Ashtanga Yoga kind of practice of dhyana. Shuchaudeshe pratisthapya sthiramasanam atmanaha natyuchritam nati. They will have to do everything. So jnanam will take place in this way. That jnanam will be called vijnanam. Tika. Evam iti asya artham kathayati. Evam. Sakshad evam it is given. What is evam? Yatha Madhu Brahmane darshitam tatha. How it was shown in Madhu Brahmana, means in this one. Krama, etc. came from Maitreyi Brahmana. And Sakshatkara is how it is given in Madhu Brahmana. That of Adibhuta, Adhyatma, Adidaiva, I am the Adhishthanam. Of the four which are Paraspara, Upakarya, Upakaraka, I am their Adhishthanam. In this way, the Sakshatkar which will take place. That is explained in this Madhu Brahmana. Tika. Madhu Brahmane, Purva Brahmane cha, Ukta Kramena, Atmani Shravanaaditrayam Sampadya, Vidwan Brahma Abhavat iti Sambandha. In Madhu Brahmana and in Purva Brahmana. So now we can see how fortunate we are if we get to study this Brahadaranyaka with Bhashya, Tika. Everything, all steps are made completely clear. What is in Madhu Brahmana, what is Maitreyi Brahmana, what is the Sambandha. You see, it is given here. Madhu Brahmane, Purva Brahmane cha. In Madhu Brahmana means this Brahmana. Purva Brahmana means Maitreya Brahmana. Ukta Kramena, Shravana Manan Nididhyasana Kramena. Atmani Shravanaditrayam Sampadya. In Atma, Shravanaditraya Sampadanam, having done. Sampadanam means having accomplished. Atmani means
अंतःकरणे
Atma Vishayaka Vishaya Saptami. Atma Vishayaka Shravanaditrayam Sampadya. Vidwan Brahma Abhavat. Iti Sambandha. Vidwan becomes Brahma. So the question was raised in 149. How did they become all? By knowing what? So they knew all. They became all by knowing Brahma. Nanu मोक्षावस्थायाम एव विदुषो ब्रह्मत्वम अपरिच्छिन्नत्वम च न प्राच्याम अविद्यादशायाम इति आशंका. पूर्व पक्ष says in moksha avastha jnani is Brahma. Moksha avasthayam vidusho brahmatvam apariच्छिन्नत्वम च न pratyam avasthayam. In the avidya avastha he is not Brahma. Dashamaha Ajnana Kale, he is Dashama or not? What is
दश
the shloka? I have said. Dvaitam vichare paramartha bodhe twadvaitvamityev na sadhuvada. Gaveshanat prag dashame vinashte paschatcha labde dashamatvam ekam. He is the same dashama. Means his dashamatva is not changed when he was ajnani. He was told at that time, later he is dashama only. Dashamatva doesn't go. Like that, brahmatva does not go, does not change. See in Bhashya, tasmat. Brahma vijnanat evam lakshanat purvam api brahmaiva. Evam tasmat brahma vijnanat evam lakshanat. In Tika, samanadikaranam panchamitrayam. Three panchamis are there. Tasmat brahma vijnanat evam lakshanat. Panchamitrayam. Purvam api brahmaiva. Earlier also he was Brahma. Brahmaiva sat. Avidya abrahma asit. Because of avidya and adhyasa, he thought he is abrahma. What is the lakshana of adhyasa?
अतस्मिन् तद्बुद्धिः
Atasmin sad buddhi. What is the shloka in Vivek Chudamani on atasmin sad buddhi? Not the seeing and telling. Atasmin sad buddhi prabhavati vimudhasya tamasa viveka bhavadvai spurat jage rajjudishana. So,
अनर्थ भातो निकटति समादात् सुरति कथा ततो यो सत्
grahaha sahi bhavati bandha.
सही भवति बन्ध शृणुसुखे.
There are enough shlokas to memorize for those who are looking for what shloka I should memorize. I think I know all shlokas. You know, enough are not known. Whole Vivek Chudamani is there. So, avidya abrahma asit. Sarvam evacha sat asarvam asit. Even though he was all sarvam, he thought he is asarvam. तान्तु अविद्याम् अस्मात् विज्ञानात् तिरस्कृत्य ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माभवत् सर्वः सन् सर्वम् अभवत्। ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्म अभवत्। ब्रह्मज्ञानी being ब्रह्म became Brahma. Tika means this always remember this is Mukhya Siddhanta. Who had the question or who conducts the enquiry? Not Jiva, Brahma. Brahma out of avidya thinks he is Jiva. Then he conducts enquiry, then he realizes I am Brahma. So Sureshwaracharya's Vartika is this matam, you will see that. In some places, when they give Drishtanta, Jiva is there and that Jiva becomes Brahma. They drop and he enters in the ocean and becomes one with the ocean. These examples are not Advaita. They are public like those examples. If he is dropped somewhere away from the ocean, how he will claim he is Brahma? Then he has to do some yatra as Jiva, then merge into Brahma. There is no merge into Brahma. But people like such thinking because they cannot understand or appreciate that right now I am Brahma. If you tell them you are already Brahma, but because of Ajnanam, you think you are not Brahma, they will not understand. Say, no, right now I am not Brahma. So then such things become popular, then it is not Advaita. If you are not Brahma, then you will never be Brahma. Tika. Evam lakshanat aham brahmasmi iti shravanadi kritat tattva sakshatkarat iti yavad. Evam lakshanat means aham brahmasmi iti shravanadi kritat. When shravanadi is done, tattva sakshatkarat, when tattva sakshatkara takes place, iti yavad. अब्रह्मत्वादि धी ध्वस्ति हि तर्हि कथम इति आशंक्याः. So अब्रह्मत्वादि धी ध्वस्ति. ध्वस्ति means nasha. How will it happen? तान्तु अविद्याम अस्माद् विज्ञानात् तिरस्कृत्य. When this vijnanam takes place, then that avidya will go. Brahmavid brahmaiva san brahma abhavat. Brahmavid being Brahma, he attains his Brahmatva. Tika. Vrittam anudya uttara grantham avatarayati. So now, what has been already discussed, having recapped and mentioning again, anudya uttara grantham avatarayati. Later part of the text, he puts it again. Parisamaptaha shastrartho yadarthaha prastutaha. Shastrartha is over. Means actually Madhukanda is over, everything what he wanted to say is complete. Now whatever mantras are there, some drishtanta is there, and Brahmajnani, Prashansa, etc. will be there. Tasmin etasmin sarvatma bhute brahmavidi sarvatmani Sarvam Jagat Samarpitam iti etasmin arthe drishtanta upadiyate. Now in this artha, that in Brahma Jnani, entire Jagat is there, for that drishtanta is of Rathanabhi, etc. Tika. Yasya shastrasya artho vishaya prayojanakyo Brahma Kandikayam chaturthadau cha prastutah tasya artho yathokta nyayena nirdharitah iti anuvadartha. यस्य शास्त्रस्य अर्थो विषय प्रयोजनाख्यः. what is the vishaya, what is the prayojanam of Shastra? Brahma Kandikayam Chaturthadau cha prastutah. Brahma Kandika Brahmava idamagra asi
1-4.
tadatmanam eva avet aham brahmasmi iti. 1-4-10. Chaturtha, in this second chapter, beginning, Adau, so that Drupta Bala ki Ajata Shatru dialogue, etc. Prastuta. Tasya artho yathokta nyayena nirdharita. Its meaning is now concluded with this Maitreyi and Madhu Brahmana. Iti anuvadartha. Sarvatma bhutatvam sarpadivat kalpitanam sarvesham atma bhavena sthitatvam. Sarvatma bhutatvam sarpadivat kalpitanam, those which are sarpadivat kalpita. Sarpadivat kalpita where? Rajju. Anishchita yatha rajjuhu
अंधकारो निवर्तते अनिश्चितायां यथा रज्जुः.
No, you are mixing two shlokas. Anishchita yatha rajjuhu then second line is sarpadharadi bhavai.
अनिश्चिता यथा रज्जुः अंधकारे विकल्पिता
Sarpadharadi bhavai.
तद्वदात्मा विकल्पितः.
So these sarpadivat kalpita. Sarpadivat kalpitanam. And what are these? Kalpita bhava, pranadi, there in second chapter, Vaitathya Prakarana, starting from prana, etc., all the way up to the Strilinga, Pullinga, Napunsakalinga, ityadi, everything is kalpitam for Advaitin. Atma bhavena sthitam. Sarvesham atma bhavena sthitatvam. Sarvam brahma tad rupatvam sarvatmatvam. Sarvam brahma tad rupatvam sarvatmatvam. Sarva ete atmanah iti kuto bhedoktihi atmaikyasya shastriyatvat. सर्व एते आत्मानः, आत्मना ने, आत्मानः, दीर्घ. That will come later. First you see this example in Bhashya. Tad yatha rathanabhau cha rathanemau cha araha sarve samarpitaha iti prasiddho artha. Rathanabhi and Rathanemi, in them all the Araha or Araha Samarpitaha. All the spokes are connected to both the hub and the periphery of the wheel. एवमेव अस्मिन् आत्मनि परमात्म भूते ब्रह्मविदि सर्वाणि भूतानि ब्रह्मादि स्तंभ पर्यन्तानि सर्वे देवा अग्न्यादयः सर्वे लोका भूरादयः सर्वे प्राणा वागादयः सर्व एते आत्मानो जलचंद्रवत् प्रति शरीर अनुप्रवेशिनो अविद्याकल्पिताः. एवमेव, in the same way, अस्मिन् आत्मनि परमात्म भूते, in this atma which is Paramatma Swarupa, Brahmavidi, in that Brahmagyani, Sarvani Bhutani, Brahmadi Stambha Paryantani, from Brahma all the way up to Itrana, grass. Sarve Deva Agnyadayaha. So this is how the mantra is. सर्वे समर्पिताः एवमेव अस्मिन् आत्मनि सर्वाणि भूतानि सर्वे देवाः सर्वे लोकाः सर्वे प्राणाः सर्व एते आत्मानः समर्पिताः. So Purvapakshi says, okay, all devatas, all lokas, bhuradaya lokas, agnadi devata, sarvani bhutani, brahmadi stambha paryantani, sarve pranaha, vagadayah, samarpitaha. I can understand. What about sarve ete atmanaha? How there are many atmas? Because atma is one. That is the first line in Tika. कुतो भेदोक्ति ही आत्मैक्यस्य शास्त्रीयत्वात्. आत्मैक्य इज शास्त्रीय. हाउ यू से देयर आर मेनी आत्मास? दिस इज आत्मा. मेनी आत्मा मीन्स मेनी रिफ्लेक्शंस. जलचंद्रवत् प्रति शरीर अनुप्रवेशिनो अविद्या कल्पिताः. लाइक द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ सन, मून और सन इन द वाटर, दे आर अविद्या कल्पित चिदाभासः. Chidavasa Siddhi in Upadesha Sahasri we have been seeing. Darshtantika Bhagasya Sampinditam Artham Aha. Of this Darshtantika Bhaga, Sampindita Artha. Sampindita means all collected, put together. What is it saying? Sarvam Jagat Asmin Samarpitam. Entire Brahmanda is samarpita in this Brahma, Brahmagyani. Ukta Sarvatma Bhavasya Tritiyena Ekavakyatvam Nirdeshati. This Sarvatma Bhava Tritiyena Ekavakyatvam. Tritiyena, Tritiya Adhyayana. Ekavakyata means this Vakya and the previous Adhyaya, there is oneness. How? यदुक्तम ब्रह्मविद वामदेवः प्रतिपेदे अहम मनुरभवम सूर्यश्चेति स एष सर्वात्म भावो व्याख्यातः. What was said in the previous one? Vamadeva pratipede. What did he understand? I am all. Its expression was I was Manu. I am sun in this way. Aham Manu. Aham Surya. This is Sarvatma Bhava. Up to this, let us keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.